This is the condition the box for my camera came in. It looks like it's been dipped in water. It has been. The glue is all delaminated. This is all soft and punk. Over here. Let's look at the camera. Yeah, it's cold. The glue has melted on the disc cover. There's water damage on the manual. This appears to be dry. This is actually wet. This is on the dry side. Now the camera.